Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone or dedicated hotspot supports 5G NR and that your carrier plan authorizes tethering. Once confirmed, update firmware and carrier profiles so bands and SIM features load correctly. Make sure mobile data, location, and tethering permissions are enabled in system settings. These allow 5G registration and proper RF handoff. Now insert the activated SIM, reboot the device, and proceed to the network selection step to force the device onto 5G bands. You now configure the network. Choose 5G preferred or manually select NR bands to prioritize 5G cells, because this ensures you latch onto higher throughput carriers. Then create a hotspot SSID and strong WPA3 password. Choose the 5 GHz or NR-based AP band where available to reduce congestion. Adjust channel width and client limit to balance speed and stability, and disable aggressive power save so the radio stays active. Once done, test with a 5G cable. You finish by validating the connection. Connect a client, confirm the 5G icon, and run a speed test to verify throughput. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode or manually reselect the 5G network to force a reattach. Sometimes reinserting the SIM prompts correct provisioning. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset network settings only if necessary because it clears saved credentials. If issues persist, contact your carrier to confirm APN and 5G provisioning are enabled on your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.